Yasmin Trevino didn't have much of a freshman year, thanks to Hurricane Humphrey, but she's ready to take sophomore year by storm. That means mastering the marching side of marching band fast so she can outshine her BFF Sophia as top of the flute section, earn first chair, and impress both her future college admission boards and her comfortably unattainable drum major crush, Gilberto Reyes. But Yasmin steps off on the wrong foot when she reports an anonymous gossip Instagram account harassing new band members and accidentally gets the entire low brass section suspended from extracurriculars. With no low brass section, the band is doomed. So Yasmin decides to take things into her own hands, learn to play the tuba, and lead a gaggle of rowdy freshman boys who are just as green to marching and playing as she is. She'll happily wrestle an ancient school tuba if it means fixing the mess she might have caused. But when the secret gossip Instagram escalates their campaign of harassment and Yasmin's friendship with Sophia deteriorates, things at school might be too hard to bear. My preview today is It Sounds Like This by Anna Meriano. I am reading it through the Libby app, courtesy of San Francisco Public Library. I'm not going to homecoming. I'm playing at homecoming, I explained to Mom, trying to coax the Kingwood High marching band information and parental consent packet out of her hands so I can flip straight to the back page of signature blanks. I need her to sign before stumbling across any more actual information. The football game, not the dance, and that's all months away, practically at the end of the season. She waves her hand to dismiss my words before stubbornly flipping through the rest of the packet, laser eyes scanning as if the pages contain the secret to my successful high school career or the hidden clause that will ruin it. I don't think she'll find anything objectionable, but sometimes she latches on to details, like the homecoming dance, and turns them into another box for me to check off. I'm not opposed to checking off boxes. I love checking off boxes. It's just that going into sophomore year, my checklist is already full of an overwhelming number of super important boxes that I want to check. Get straight A's, do well in my first AP class, prep for the PSAT, make friends with some teachers for future recommendation letters, keep up my extracurriculars, band, get leadership experience, first chair, and how is Mom still reading the same page? I thought that waiting until Sunday evening would make it easier to rush her through the packet, but I forgot that nobody but me cares about being late to church. Dad unhurriedly rinses dishes and loads them into the dishwasher, his button-down not yet buttoned over his t-shirt and his salt and ginger hair uncombed. Mom frowns at the dress code. But they can't stop you from painting your nails, mija. Dressed to reverently impress as always, but showing no signs of getting ready to move. Even if we leave in the next minute and a half, we'll still be 5 minutes late to the latest possible mass. I take a breath and smile to keep my tone pleasant when I hint, I'll be ready to leave as soon as this is signed. Mom finally scribbles her signature on the last page and helps Dad finish the dishes while I tuck the forms into my brand new folder and zip it safely into the polka-dotted backpack I picked out so carefully last summer. It was supposed to give me good luck for my freshman year, so that didn't work out well at all. Maybe I should have asked for a new backpack this year. And this has been a preview of It Sounds Like This.